What is the difference between Talalay latex and Dunlop latex? And are there any other types of latex?
Yes, so Talalay latex, it's hard to say, and Dunlop are two different processes. So a Dunlop, they take the sap, it's the latex from the tree, and they put it in a it's called line pouring. They put in a big vat machine and they pour the latex out, and then it bakes and it cuts as it goes, and that's a poured line.
Okay.
Talalay is called vulcanization, where they add air in a big chamber and they add air and extract air in and out of it, for lack of scientific words.
All right.
Basically.
And is there any other type?
There's a blended Talalay, which is just going to be more synthetic. Usually it's going to be 70% synthetic, 30% rubber, and it's actually pretty durable. So
all right.
it's kind of nice.
There you go. Talalay latex, Dunlop, and synthetic.
Yes, simple one.